What's up? My dog's sick. My dog's sick today, so I might have to cut this short. I don't know. He ate like some freaking beef, nasty beef jerky, man. God damn. Milo. God. I can't be mad at him though. The pup wants to eat the meats. Huh? I got a pink cup too. I'm like securing who I am, you know? Ain't no thing. What's up? 4 people? Cool. I've been trying to get my circle smaller anyway, so it's all good. What's up, guys? 3 people, huh? Well, see, smaller the better. Or bigger. I like that too. What's up, Dub? What's up, Wolves? What's up? Drinks, money, drinks, more drinks, money, drinks. That's my dog. He's sick. Wait, what? Milo is sick? Poor guy. Thanks, dog. Yeah, we were on like that. It's like this app you hit up like vets and shit. Because I try not to like interface with people as much as possible. It's just 21st century, man. I don't know. It's 21st century medicine. I think it'll be okay. Hopefully it'll be okay. Give him some prayers, guys. Come on. We got to get to the moon together. You know what I'm saying? That's him. What the? I thought he was all sick. Liar? What the? Oh, my God. Milo. I'm telling people you're sick and shit. Come on, man. Yo, been missing you. I'm moving and shit. But we back. Hey, you moving? That's tight. I'm trying to move, man. I'm trying to get the fuck out of here. You know what I'm saying? Yo, what up? Lifestyle, how's it been? LOL, sup, decentralized mind. How's that work, man? You got like different pieces of your brain that belong to other people? That wouldn't work too good, would it? I don't know. You see that Will Clement post? Will Clement? Ain't he like prophecy guy, right? Okay. Right? He'd be like doing stuff with a synthesizer and shit. He's like, God! Ah! I think I've seen his shit before, man. I haven't seen what he said though. On chain and that. Oh, wrong guy. Damn, man. I'm all up on the weird parts of the internet, man. I look at everything. I got rid of cable a long time ago. I can't remember the last time I watched cable. I'd be watching weird shit on the internet. The weirder, the better, you know. Hey, did you guys hear about that shit about Dr. What's his face? Dr. F, you know what I'm saying? Dr. F with puppies? Son of a bitch. God damn it. Hey, Dub, what's up? Taters. How you been? Good? Cheers. Welcome, guys. Welcome to Crypto and what the fuck is this? Crypto Kickback. I do this every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I also do a second live stream on Sundays, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I will be doing some traveling next week, though, so we'll see how that impacts the schedule. But I'm typically pretty timely and consistent with these. Oh yeah, and just by the way, I'm gonna start doing some other videos again. I'm gonna be doing some WAN chain videos. I could do some other chain videos. Tell your chains to hit me up. Tell them to hit me up, man. I gave him a little taste. See what it tastes like. But you know, we can figure something out if they want to figure it out. You know what I'm saying? What's up, guys? 6 people. That's how I like it. Is Milo holding any bags too? Doge, Shib? Oh my god, dude. Milo's not holding no freaking bags, man. Milo doesn't give a damn about crypto. He just wants food. He just wants food. Only food, man. He's trying to eat all the time. But that's funny. My lady just picked up some Shib. A little Shib. Got a little Shib, you know. Shib's going bananas, man. I had Doge like in 2020, man. I sold it. I tell this all the time, so you guys know it. Weighs heavy on my heart. 5 people, what's good? Hey, you know what, guys? There's only 5 people here. So the chat is yours until more people come up in here and ask me stuff. Ask away. Why not? I don't care. I'm just chilling with the homies. And a hush goes over the crowd. Hush. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Whatever, guys. Whatever. 7 people. What's up? Oh, there's one. Do you think SHIB would be a good pickup in the bear or a missed opportunity? Nah, man, I don't know. A good opportunity in the bear, like that's like those meme coins, they're high risk, high reward. Like everyone's like, damn, I should have picked up Doge. I should have picked up SHIB. But it's like, it could have not worked out. Like there was a high probability that it couldn't worked out. So the people who bought that shit like right now, they kind of deserve the upside because like if it didn't work out, like no one could have like been surprised, right? If you wait until the bear market, I don't know if it would ever come back. Like Dogecoin has a history of coming back. At least Doge has done it a couple cycles now. SHIB is like, what is this shit? Is this like, there's always some coins that like pop off and never come back again. Yeah, it could make you a lot of money in the bear market, but like it could also just be a waste of money. So like I wouldn't say like load heavy in it. I would say, you know, throw money at it when it's down 95%, like some, and then it will rise to a meaningful amount. If you got big cojones, then okay, you can go balls to the wall. It's just don't be so mad if it doesn't work out. Because there's been lots of projects who are doing a lot more legitimate stuff than SHIB. And they ain't came up. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of the give and the take. You know, like how aggressive you trying to be. Dog's fucking around, man. Told me he was sick. What's up with this? You think gaming pops off this cycle? No. To be honest, no. Like, I don't think it has enough time. Now, I'm not saying gaming's not going to come around, but I think that like people are just starting to find out about play to earn. I have an article here today. It talks about GameStop partnering with who? Like an NFT. It's like an NFT like company or some shit. It's not Rarible, is it? What is it? GameStop partnered with someone for NFTs. You start seeing some like stuff going around the space, some partnerships being made, hands being shaken, you know? And then like, then they come out with a game and then it grows traction, but we haven't even seen that yet, you know? So like, it takes time for things to pop off. It takes time for things like to grow roots under the surface. So I think gaming, that will grow throughout the bear and really come into its own. And I think it's going to start getting some real attention once these people in other places with lower cost of living start actually making money and living off this shit. We're already starting to see that in Philippines, but like it's going to get more and more prominent, especially with the proliferation of fiat dollars. You know, like crypto is just going to be more and more and more, and it's going to be more and more significant, especially like in third world countries, to be honest. And then maybe it'll be significant to second world countries, then first world countries. But I just don't see that consistent role yet. Like, why would it just come out of nowhere? Like, it's an education thing, right? First, you got to tell people, most people, hey, stop playing that, you know, whatever they freaking, what do kids play nowadays, man? Stop playing that Call of Duty, man. Wasting your goddamn time. You might as well go pay this other shit and get an NFT or something. You know, like, you got to do that first introduction of don't waste your money, don't waste your time, make money instead of waste your time. You know what I'm saying? That's my my thoughts. For what it's worth. Looks like October pump is lagging a bit. No, it's not, man. We already made a higher high. You know what I'm saying? We already made a new all-time high. What is it? 67,000? Now we came back down. Nothing moves in a straight line, you know? Like, think of it like gravity, man. Like, okay, when you're at, like, scientifically speaking, my dad's an engineer. I'm a nerd like that, okay? So, like, at a sea level, the gravity is at its strongest point because you have the most atmosphere on top of you. When you rise up into, like, onto a mountain or some shit or higher elevation, gravity is slightly less intense, right? That's why a lot of places, like launch places, like, you actually use, and I used to work in aerospace, you use less fuel launching from higher altitudes. You use more fuel launching from lower altitudes. We were coming from sea level, trying to get up out of there. We didn't have enough gas. Came back down. but we're higher than we were before, which means it takes a little less gas to get into the stratosphere. And then we get up into outer space. And then gravity is no longer a factor. But we're still trying to work our way up out of that gravity, or in trading terms, resistance. See how that works, guys? We keep going up a little bit. As long as we're making higher lows, raising an altitude, it's going to take less and less and less money to break up out that resistance. And once we break up out the atmosphere, there's no gravity in space. And we're in that blue sky breakout. But it's just a progression, it's just a progression of price appreciation, to be honest. I'm not concerned. I mean, we'll look at the charts. We do that all the time. But when we look at the charts, you'll see we'll compare 2013, which is more in line with this cycle than 2017 is in line with this cycle. And you'll see the majority of the gains, it did start in October, but most of it was in November. But it could be lagging a little bit. Could be. But you guys know me, it's nothing significant. Like, I'm not saying years. Screw that. No one's told me. No one's told me, guys. I keep asking that shit. Where are people seeing this big old extension of Bitcoin cycle? Like, I've asked some people, like I asked them, hey, where are you seeing this technically in the chart? And they say, well, the big influx of money. Oh, that's like something that's very opaque. I can't quantify that. Big influx of money. Well, there's big influx of money every single cycle. And every single cycle since now has been adhering to the 4-year cycle. So, you know what I'm saying? 7 people, what's up? Waiting on FTM to hit $10 and one to hit $1. 1 to 1. Hey. That should be a hashtag, 1 to 1. You can hit me with that commission later, man. I can't F with them memes, man. That's what I told myself. And my girl will be like, why don't you buy SHIB? And I'm like, shut up, babe. I can't do this shit. I gotta be an example. So she bought it. Hey, man, like, look, you damned if you do, you damned if you don't. You buy it and you lost money. Oh, I'm an idiot. You don't buy it and you miss out on making money. I'm an idiot. So, like, okay, pick your poison. Pick your poison. I picked mine. I'll take it like a big boy, I've been so anti-meme coin, I'm getting pissed seeing it blow. It's okay. It's okay. What are you guys? Like, that's why you got to understand, like, what kind of investor are you? Are you a value investor? Do you like to buy quality when it's crushed to death because you know it should rise up higher over time because you have a clear use case? Or do you like to buy momentum? And that means you like to jump in on the move that's going up. There's no right or wrong. One's just more long-term oriented. One's more in the moment oriented. You got to know how to trade. Don't be buying momentum and holding it like a value stock. And don't be buying value and being like, what the hell? Why isn't this thing going up? Like, having expectations of a momentum stock. You know what I'm saying? Like, just be consistent in your methodology. You want to be value? You buy things on the lows on the bear market and hold that shit because it's most likely going to return to fair value, and vice versa. Meme coins, hot coins, BSC coins, like all that shit is more momentum. I'm not knocking it. It's just different time horizons. Who are you? Do you know who you are? Do you know what investor you are? If you don't, you should. It helps you make decisions. Yeah, I think too late for gaming too. Yeah. It's okay though. Gaming will come through, and once gaming comes through, metaverse is going to come through. Like, I think the metaverse is next cycle. I think gaming's next cycle. Doesn't mean I think they're bad. I just think there'll be opportunities to get in. I want to be all up in the metaverse, though. Couple more years of this lockdown shit. Guess where everyone's going to be at? All up in the metaverse. They'll be dying for any kind of interaction, man. I would like to have one too, though. I'd like to have like a little spot we can go in like the central end. Be like, hey, what's up? What's up, guys? What's up? High five. Hey. A little bit of that. We could fight. You got Fight Club. Oh, shit. Would you guys come to my Fight Club in Decentraland? Rule number 1, don't talk about Fight Club. Rule number 2, you don't talk about Fight Club. Cube. Galaxy. What up, Dub? I'm getting hashtag trademarked in it next week. $40. Why not? I got an idea to build a brand. You got an idea to build a brand? Hashtag trademark NXT next week. For real? What you doing? What you doing, man? We gotta know. I'm just kind of taking it easy right now, guys. I'll get into it. Give me a second. You know how I get down, man. You guys should be drinking something, smoking something. I don't care. Yeah, this is kickback. What do you think about Trump partnering with Sony? I think that's nice. There's another. All these partnerships are coming out now. This good news is coming out all at the same time. Oh, is that a quinky dink? No. But I have these other articles out here on Telegraph that show other partnerships. GameStop, Adobe, Microsoft, all partnering with specific blockchains. Interesting, huh? Yeah, I got friends spending thousands on app games. I'm trying to show them that, like, that's old school. That's old world, man. Don't be giving your free ass. Don't keep giving your time for free. Pay to earn. Have some respect for yourself. Haven't seen too many NFT gaming vids on YouTube. I was interested, but couldn't find info. Yeah, I mean, I keep saying the same one. I mean, there's Blancos or some shit, EOS game. There's Axie Infinity. There's Gaza and Chain. There's some racing games now. There's that one with the horses that race each other and shit, and people bet on it. What is that called? We looked at that last stream. There's a few of them, man. Check it out. 12 people. What's goody? What's good? SKL, similar to FTM, except in Ethereum native. It's Ethereum native, has sub-second finality, on-chain file storage, in-house scale Oracle, and no network incidents or outages. And also clicked up with the Cosmos ecosystem and persistence. I don't know what that's about, man, but that's interesting. We checked it out last time. Extremely undervalued. Chill money. Chill money. Or should I say shill money? Just kidding, man. I love you, man. SKL. Sounds good, though. I mean, I can't really knock it. I can't really do it. They got good partners. Shib ought it. Shib ought it. Shiba should have bought it. It's okay. I'm not gonna abandon my stubbornness now. Dub, my $77 SHIB I got in June has grown to 843 as of today. Fucking beast. And I was staking it since. Crazy part, I sold 9.5 mil 2 days before it blew up. I would have a total of 1,300. That's how it goes, man. I had $500 in Doge last year. I don't want to talk about how much it'd be. Suckers. When I say suckers, I'm talking about myself. Me, myself, and I. All three of them. I don't know. I'm on one today, guys. My lady, she bought it. Oh, I get it. Yeah, she did. She's like, you're an idiot. I'm like, God, baby, you can't be calling me that, man. You can't be calling me that, babe. I got 14.7 bill in Doge, baby. Baby Doge. Oh, shit. Baby Doge? Oh, you're way out on the risk curve. Some of you guys got cojones like this. Jesus. 15 people. What's up? 18 minutes in. Okay, I got to get my shit together. Crypto Fight Club, the Wolf Pack League. I have so many ideas for the metaverse. It's like, what is... I have so many ideas. Fight Club. Could we do it? Could we do it? We call it the wolf. What do wolves sleep in? Wolf den. The wolf den. Hey. What do you think about DOT? I think DOT's cool. You know, like, as far as interoperability is concerned, it's interesting, you know, with the parachains and all that. It's just kind of like, it's not as built out as other interoperability protocols, in my opinion. It's more or less very experimental at this point. I mean, to be honest, I kind of like Kusama more, you know, but it's a test net, so it has that less security always, just like Litecoin is a Bitcoin. But the test net always gets those improvements first. That's the rub. So like, because there needs to be a lot more development to happen on DOT, I think Kusama first will appreciate because it's going to receive those like benefits first. But then once it makes it on the DOT, then it's like tested, proven, it's more secure and everything. It's just that I haven't heard, and I gotta admit, I haven't done too much research into it so far. But like as far as partnerships, do you guys know any alpha on that? Like dot partnerships? Like I'm waiting. I see Cosmos making a lot of headway over there. Wanche making some, over there in China and stuff. Dot, I'm lacking on that. So do you guys know anything on that? I'd have to deflect that question a little bit. My bad, man. Oh yeah. Check it out, guys. The NFT game is called D-Race. You could check it out. Why not? This one's kind of cool. Rip Grandpa, he used to go and freaking horse race all the time. Say, Grandpa, how do you know which horse to bet on? He was like, easy. Look at the name. It's like, Grandpa, what the fuck? Grandpa, you can't be doing that shit. D-Race. D-Race is a complete NFT horse racing ecosystem where you can participate in horse races, breed NFT horses with unique characteristics, build your own NFT hyperdrome. I don't know what that is. What is that? And make profit while doing it. So basically, like there's horses. I'm guessing there's limb spot horses. They race and shit. I think people can even bet on this. Marketplace, you can sell horses. Can you fight horses? I don't know. I want everything to fight right now. Join the community. Guys, whenever you see these, like join the community and you put your email address, just do it. Like it comes right to your inbox so you know what's up. You can like whoever's close to the knowledge profits. Simple as that. What's good? 15 people. What's up? 21 minutes in. I'm going to get going. Yo, Dub, did you see the 1-inch Yake off last night? Went from 5 to 13 during the night. Sold off back down to 7 at 5 a.m. Crazy dude. Right, dude. Hey, everything's popping. Curve was popping. Stuff's popping off. It's popping off. Bitcoin's hovering, but Ultra rising back up. You know what? I've been messing around long enough. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you guys later because I've been slacking. Okay. Real quick. And just FYI, guys, if my girl comes in here and tells me I got to come, I gotta end this one early because my dog, he's sick. He don't sound like it. But okay, just get that out of the way. A little disclaimer. Okay. Bitcoin liquid index from cycle to cycle. We really don't have to go over it to that extent right now, but we're gonna jump into the weekly. I think you guys know what's going on. I think I've done a good job keeping you guys up to speed with this. Okay. Last year of the 4-year cycle is the year of the blow off. We've risen up. We're about to blow off. We're gonna blow that top in the best way. But okay, so look, in October last time, well, we're in October now, right? We're doing these like top things. Little beep, beep, beep. That indicates that the buy and sell pressure is very similar, pretty much almost equal, guys. Well, not exactly equal, but pretty much equal. So that's why the candles are showing up so small on the weekly, right? The buy and the sell, they're fighting. Bears are like, yo, we're going to push you down. Bulls are like, we're going to take you up. Someone's got to win. But right now, it's kind of a stalemate until one overtakes. Looking at cycle analysis, I guess it would be safe to say, based on trends in history, that the bulls typically overtake on the 4th year in quarter 4. That's where we are now. Therefore, it's most likely that will happen, right? Let's go ahead and look at 2013. I didn't make this red. Should be red. My bad, guys. In October, this thing started running up past its cyclical. Well, actually, you know what? I mean, if you look on the weekly, the high in April of 2013 was $270. Okay. We really didn't overtake that until November 4th, around approximately. I'm not all up into getting a zoom up like that. Around November 4th. So we could say with some good degree of certainty that we really haven't done anything that's not typical at this point in time. Can we agree on that? Because if you take the highest point, yeah, okay, oh, Dubdigital, that's outlier. Why don't you just take the candle body? Okay, let's just bear with me right now. Late October, early November, boom. But what I told you guys I wanted to see was a grind up to the point that we dropped off in April. That's what happened in 2013. Then we ran up in November and topped out really quick. Okay. Let's just look at 2017. Not a great indicator based on the structure of that cycle to this cycle, but we could use it to extrapolate a little bit. October, we ran up. We continually made higher highs. You can see the structure on this was much different because the big drop came about 2 months later. So everything was kind of condensed. So the drops and the lags were not as sustained. Okay. But here, we pretty much had our top about 2-4 days later than the 2013 drop in April as well. Now we're approaching back up to that part we dropped off at. We damn near touched it and actually went past it. That's freaking good. That's what I said I wanted to see, right? That's what we do want to see. Hell, guys, I mean, like, everything's not that bad. It could have kept going freaking down. Right? It's not that bad, guys. We're going freaking up. We're touching the highs again. It's better than touching the lows, right? Okay. Let's recognize that for what it is. Now we'll see what it does for the rest of October and the first week of November. Something tells me we're going to have a definitive break in one direction. Now, is it going to be down? Is it going to be up? I guess time will really be the judge of that. But based on what you guys know what I think, and I've done a pretty good job of explaining to you why I think this and documenting why I think this, I think we're going to have a break upwards. And November typically is pretty freaking hot. Now, will that extend in December? I think so. Because from cycle to cycle, the top out on Bitcoin has really been extending about 2 weeks, right? So over here in 2013, we topped out basically December 1st. 2017, we topped out around December 11th, almost mid-December. You add 14 days on that, we're sitting damn near around December 28th, end of December. Hey, I mean, I don't know why not. I would think that's more probable to happen than just this big, long expansion, multi-year freaking shit without an explanation. I mean, it's a possibility. But an asteroid could come through here and hit me in the face right now. That's a possibility. I mean, if we're just saying random shit, yeah, why not? I look, I'm not going to discount a lengthening cycle. I never discount anything. All I'm just asking for is some quantifiable rationale that I've yet to get, and I thought I would have gotten it by now. Not saying it's not out there. I'm just saying it hasn't come across my eyes yet. 16 people. What's up? I get thirsty being a freaking G. Walk this way. Dim sum. All that and dim sum. Damn. I don't even know what that shit said. Just stop by to give a like. Gotta watch later. Sure, it will be fire. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you so much. What up? We have buy these meme coins and roll the profits into high quality crypto. Hey, if you're in these meme coins and you got some profits, I wouldn't think that's a bad idea. I mean, I'd rather roll it into quality than to keep it in shit. You know what I mean? Like at a certain point in time, you got to recognize what's an investment, what's a good quality investment with a clear use case and all that, and what's a money grab, what's a cash grab. You guys got a brick? I'm trying to throw a brick at this chihuahua, man. Hey. Just kidding. Fight Club with Beasties? You seen that show, Love, Drugs, and Sex? So sick animation. No, I haven't. That's dope. Fight Club, but what's the Beasties? Besties? No, I don't know. My grandpa say bet on jockey. On the jockey, LOL. Shilling ain't new. My grandpa don't even bet on the jockey. He didn't know any of that. He was like, yeah, Purple Lady. Bet on Purple Lady. I'm like, why? He's like, I like that. I guess risky shit's in my blood. Ash might blow up. Ash catch him? Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon. I will travel across the land. Searching far and wide. My internet sucks. Each Pokemon should understand how that's inside. Pokemon. Hey, I like that shit. I got Pokemon cards, man. Hollow. Yeah, Hollow. You know how it is. It might. I see why you say that. Because, I mean, it's doing that shit that Bitcoin is like. Big made a new all-time high real quick. It's like, I'm tired. I'm gonna take a breath. But it's, you know where it's going. It shows you where it wants to go. It's trying to make that higher high. So I see what you're saying. See a little volume sneaking in there. A little bit. Bottom trend line. Respecting ever since, well, I mean, ever since September. I see why you say that. I see why. Interesting. Is it a COD use case? What is it? I don't want to go to the internet. I don't want to go to the website, but burn.art allows you to burn NFTs for Ash created by Murak Pack. What? Give me some deets, man. What does that mean? What does this mean for me? Just found Milo coin. Check it out. Oh, shit. That food ate some like bad beef jerky. Couldn't tell if it had mold on it. Supposedly mold's like really bad for dogs, so we're trying to make them like, cough that shit up. Yo, why is my internet like this? When I have good internet, you guys know I made it. Okay, well, I'm going to stretch. While it's doing that shit, I'm going to stretch. Milo coin obviously doesn't get good reception. Anchor price prediction. Hold on. 7. 7. 7 what? No, just 7. I would like to pull it up, but I don't know how I'm going to do this live stream if my internet don't work. Can you guys see me? Anchor. Where'd it go? It's 20 cents. After that, went from like 2 to 20. So it basically 10x'd. I don't know. I mean, based on that, I see a little, I don't know if it's a fractal. I mean, this is a guess, to be honest. This is a straight guess. I'm going to be straight up. I mean, if it 10x off the first, I don't know why I couldn't 10x off the second. It moves pretty vertically. Yeah, probably catch another 10. I mean, would $2 sound crazy? I don't know. I'm just a doing internet, man. I don't like price predictions, I mean, like, these new coins, it's hard, man. They ain't never been around before. I have nothing to go off of. I can't even extrapolate from cycle to cycle. I can't account for diminishing returns. See, that's where my strength lies, man. I used to do a lot of like purchasing, like I used to like negotiate a lot, right? So like I would like see like, oh, what's this made out of? Like this and that, and like, okay, the going price of this, that's the weight, and specificate. Like, I would like have stuff. It's hard for me to go off when I don't have stuff. People say, oh, well, use Elliott wave theory. It's like, yeah, but like, what's the difference between a 2-inch wave and a 3-inch wave? Like, that's really subjective. So like, yeah, that's why I like to do time frames on new coins. OG coins, that's why I fuck with them, man, because they got like previous price history. I could be more analytical with it. But with this shit, more or less, I like to do time frames. Whenever most of the money is in crypto wrapped up in the market cap is when I believe most of these new coins will be at their highest points. I'm looking at Wonderland. Time which you can stake with a 65,000 plus APY. I haven't pulled the trigger yet. Oh, that sounds risky, man. 65,000 plus APY? Wonderland? What is this? I know I shouldn't show you guys, but my degen, my inner degen, man. What's Wonderland? Wanderlust? Wanderlust? There was a place in the San Fernando Valley called Wanderlust. They'd have like all these crazy ice creams, like from around the world. They had like mango sticky rice from Thailand. They had Earl Grey from, Britain, Pinky Up, all this stuff, man. It's crazy. In case you guys are ever in the San Fernando Valley, I used to stay out there. They got good food, man. Crazy people, but they got good food. Okay, let's see. 18 people, it's good. We looked at Bitcoin cycle. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I can't complain. I'm gonna try to catch up on the comments because I got some lames up in here sometimes that be complaining about how slow I go. So okay. I try to process improve, you know. Do you think the bull run is going to go into the beginning of January? For what? Bitcoin? Altcoins. I mean, altcoins did go into January. It's just that, like, I think they'll be in high in December too. Yeah. I do not want to get wrecked again. No way, no how. The more you try to maximize the move, the more you ride on the knife's edge. So that's why I say, you know, if you pull profits and you really want to make, you know, you're willing to lose some games to get that first impulse in the bear market tank, then you sell proportions of it, you know, 20%, or 40%, whatever you feel is acceptable, whatever risk you're willing to take, you can do that. But I'm not really a proponent to hold the whole bag in the January and be like, come on, let's go, all or nothing, fuck yeah. It's like, dang, man, I did that shit. Damn near freaking didn't get it out. I damn near didn't live through the bear market, man. It's not worth it. Is Fetch AI a good project? You know, man, I can't really say I researched that too much, but I've heard the name. It's been around, like it's been in people's mouths, you know. My coin market cap is sucking. Do I have to go CoinGecko right now? My market cap. It's coin market cap. CoinGecko don't give a damn. Fetch AI 72 cents. Oh shit. That's a cup and handle, yo. Wow. What about BTC price? Oh, that's not looking too hot. But if you want money, you want those dollars, dollars is what you will get. Look at that shit, man. Look at that cup. Rise up, dip down. Notice, guys, everything, a lot of things make higher highs and come back down. They don't break out right away. That's not a common thing. Like, just look at a lot of your crypto charts. Well, Dubdigital, Bitcoin couldn't get past 67,000. I hate myself, Dubdigital. Hey, man, look at every other coin that goes above, like slightly above and comes back below. Then it starts winding up. Then it starts grinding back up again, making an obvious cup. Boom. It's going to go up eventually. Fetch is looking pretty hot. It has more volume coming in here than, I mean, typical. It's not a shitload, but I can't complain. The chart looks kind of hot. Is it a good project? What's its deal? Does it explain down here? I don't know how CoinGecko works. Fetch AI is delivering AI to the crypto economy, and autonomous economic agents powered by artificial intelligence can provide automation to decentralized finance that can serve the needs of a single user or aggregate millions of data points for on-chain oracles. This agent-based system. Okay, so like it's basically using AI, and I'm kind of skeptical when everyone says AI because I feel like it's kind of somewhat a buzzword. You know, like what does that mean? AI is all AI the same as all other AIs? Is one AI better than another? Like, how do I know what that really means? But if it's quality, then this thing is basically saying that, like, hey, you could pretty much program me to do like autonomously act and do automated functions in DeFi. So, hey, you hate pulling and claiming your profits every freaking whatever days or something, or every week or every month, whatever. Tell the AI to do it. Then you can set it and forget it. You know, like, so I think that's something cool because some DeFi protocols are kind of hands-on. You know, they don't pay you out into your wallet. You got to go claim that shit. Like, I get it, but the chart looks nice. 21 people, what's up? I love drugs and robots. How do I follow that? Oh no. SO1EO1, my bad, but it's so dope. What the hell is that? Is that the name of your robot that you do drugs with? You get Ash tokens for burning NFTs, and you buy NFTs with Ash or something like that. Do they have their marketplace up already? Interesting. So it's just like the platform currency, right? You burn NFTs, you get Ash. Are the NFTs limited edition? Because that'd make the deflationary NFT supplies, right? Unless I'm tripping. I'm here. What's up, Wolf? What's up, man? How you been? Partalax 3. Advanced hood cleaning solution. Clean the hood since 1990. Hey, Dub, I looked a little more into LGCY. What's unique when able to start staking soon, you earn its stablecoin USDL, which creates a supply shortage. You stake, you get stablecoin, which makes a supply shortage. Why would getting rewarded in a stablecoin on the platform make it a supply shortage? There's no supply shortage of the stablecoin, right? So you're saying there should be a shortage of LGCY? So in some way, to make a supply shortage of a coin, there has to be some kind of burning or like siphoning off into an account with no key. So how does that happen? I'm interested. 18 people, it's good. LOL. You have too many tabs open. No, I don't. I live on the edge, man. I push my computer to the freaking limit. I'm ready. You still good? Cool. I like a strategy of using history. I'm using it for next cycle. I mean, patterns tend to repeat. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the thing. It's like, guys, you don't got to always capitalize on everything in crypto. You could find your shit. You know, you could find your groove. Like, what do you do? What I like to, you can say like, okay, this is my strategy, how I capitalize on the crypto market. This is my specialty. This is my wheelhouse. I have some kind of advantage. I know how to do something that most people don't. I could use skills I learned in another career to, you know what I'm saying? Like, you do what you do to get alpha on the market, to get an edge, to get a competitive advantage. That doesn't mean that you got to be a pro in every single sector. Doesn't mean you have to now become an NFT expert. You don't got to now be a earn to play expert. DeFi degen, like, you don't got to do all that. What do you do? What do you like? What can you continue to research and stay up on the game with? You know, if that's, hey, I know a lot of crypto history that a lot of these new people don't. So I know all this alpha on OG coins and what they're doing and what they've been working on and what's good and what's not. That's a thing, you know, and vice versa. So, hey, I'm just like sitting here telling you guys, like, don't just go chasing the hottest thing all the time. Sometimes that's how you hurt yourself. And sometimes the best way to keep your money is to really do not that much at all at certain points, you know? Hey, 20 people, what's up? This one guy I'm subscribed to uses Elliott Waves exclusively. LOL, I don't get it. Exclusively? Exclusively? Forever? Forever, ever? You know what that is? You should know what that is. That, well, I mean, like, I'm not knocking it. Elliott Waves are a good indication of direction. That's about it. You know, it's a direction. It's a good swing trading strategy, but it's not telling you the exact points. I mean, I wouldn't bet the house on it. You know, like, what's gonna get to here? It's like, well, what told you to draw a 2-inch versus a 5-inch, three wave? You know, like, it's really just subjective, and I don't want to be that subjective. You know. But that's something I could get better at. There's things that, like, I want to get better at, you know, like I want to get better at Elliott Wave just for direction in case I do want to become less long-term or make more money shorter terms. That'd be good. You know, there's a time and a place for everything. I want to get better at Japanese candlestick trading because there's a whole freaking way of trading that doesn't even use like structures. It's all formations of candlesticks. Like old Japanese rice traders back in the day, they would do this. They would like kill it with drawn freaking candlestick charts and shit like that. I like weird stuff like that where it gives me something different. You know what I'm saying? So I can identify things most people don't see. Other stuff too, of course. Oh, hunt volatility method. I want to learn that too. Triangles and shit. For Bitcoin analysis, I'm telling you, Will Clement on Twitter 22 thread post crazy analysis. Okay, I'll check him out. Will Clement. Clemente. Is it silent E? I never know. Dub, do you own any GPU ASIC miners? Hell no. See, that's the thing. Like, that's not my wheelhouse. That's not my strength. Like, I am not the computer nerd. You know, like, I'm the friend of the computer nerd who got me in to crypto, but I am not the computer nerd. I am the econ nerd. I'm the guy. I'm like, hey, so how do I make money with this? Like this. Like, okay, I understand that. You know. So like, should I be learning, getting into that? I don't know. I mean, GPUs. What are you mining? They're kind of like somewhat obsolete depending on what coin you're talking about. A6, it's a game of scale. Like, there are countries mining crypto now. You know. So like, what? How profitable could I be now? That's a long game thing. But really, the time for people like you and me to mine was when Bitcoin was freaking GPU mineable. So like, hey, I don't know. It's Love, Death, and Robots on Netflix. Oh wow, Netflix is coming out with that Squid Game shit too. You guys like the Squid Game show? I was like, oh, this is gonna give me nightmares, man. People getting killed and shit. That show, Love, Drugs, and Robot on Netflix, season 1, episode 1. I'm persistent because it's made of metaverse. Check it out. Oh, okay. Some Ready Player One shit. 19 people. What's good? Okay. Okay. Total 2. It's the market cap of all coins. Uh-oh. Look at that. Look at that shit. This is all-time high. 2017. We rose above it. Freaking went to 1.5 trill. We dropped down. What the fuck? Now we're doing this thing. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see it. We went above this line, below this line. We came above it. Will we stay above it? We should. What happens when you go from below to above a point? Resistance, support, flip. The ceiling then becomes the floor. And this acts as the floor, then we continue to go up. Guys. This is not a bearish chart. None of these are bearish charts. You guys be listening to those. Get out of here, man. Dude, I'm live streaming. You guys have been listening to those bears too much. You guys have been listening to those noobs too much. Why do you guys listen to those noobs? Like, seriously, why are you listening to the noobs? They don't know anything. Like, you guys know 3 times more than they do. But then they talk so damn loud. He's like, maybe I'm wrong. I'm not wrong. We're not wrong, guys. We're on the precipice of something great. I can feel it. Same people complaining about you having too many tabs open are the same folks that have 30 porn tabs open. Cheers. Tabs make the world go round, guys. Amen. I went through college. I don't think I closed one tab. There's something about crypto people who don't close their tabs, man. I don't know. Crypto Rain rap. Crypto Rain has a rap now? He's rapping? Damn. I know he had bars. I know he got bars. Went on chain, back up, macro thesis. That's when you feeling good. Oh yeah, that's one thing I want to learn more too. Glassnode, guys. If you guys don't know about Glassnode, go check that out. It's kind of like an art. Like, you gotta like know how to read that shit, those metrics and stuff. I should learn more how to read it and get the premium. But you know how it goes, man. Like, the bear market's for learning. You don't got too much time to learn now. You just got to like try to capture as much as you can, like with both arms. But the bear market, you got some time. It's not going up. Look for good opportunities, research projects, learn new skills. It's a time to learn new skills. Never let an asset go to waste. And one of the best assets is time. Outcast, of course, man. You know what's up. EOS dropped 20%, then buy them dips. No. They say the best trading accounts are people who died or forgot their passwords. Damn, that's true, man. Rip. What I mean by supply shortage, like say you steak sushi, you earn sushi, then you sell your sushi for profits. You don't have to sell your LGCY for profits. It gives you a stable coin. Oh, so you're saying that it reduces sell pressure. I thought you meant like reduce the total market, like the total supply. Okay, that's where the burning would come from, but That makes sense. Why would people sell when you get steady stablecoin yield? Makes sense. Same with most staking coins, though. Same with most staking coins. It's just that, like, when's the best time to buy that? Would it make a lot of money? Is it based off the crypto value of the LGCY? So you're making the most money when its price is high, and you're making less of the stablecoin when it's low? Is that how it works? I don't know. Is it smarter to move bull run gains to stablecoin if you're going to reinvest in the bear market for tax reasons mostly? I mean, what are you trying to achieve by that, right? Like, stablecoins are still taxable events. Any kind of crypto to crypto is not a like-kind exchange. It's a taxable event. Any crypto to stablecoin is a taxable event. So, like, for tax reasons, I don't know what you're really saving yourself from, other than just keeping out of the banking sector. But there's still an inherent risk to being in stablecoin too. I mean, nothing's really stopping the central banks in the United States and governments all over the world for saying, hey, the stable coins, screw those. We don't like them. Use our CBDC. We know they're making them, so there's no real safe harbor yet. But it'd be easier from a logistic standpoint to just have it in stable coins so you could drop it into crypto on the DEX. No one could stop you. It's just you run that risk where it's like, what if they like squash these shits? There is no right answer, man. 19 people, what's good? 51 people, what's 51 minutes? I like that. What's up? Check out merge mining with an ASIC. You can sell your meta hashes to a host of the pool and get paid per share. That sounds freaking complicated, man. I'm flattered you think I understand what that means. Shit, like that's definitely not my strength, guys. Like the hardware aspect of it, I know. Like I really got really involved with crypto when I had like solid self-custody solutions and all that stuff, POS, because like I could like secure the network without doing a lot of the setup. That's where I needed the homie, and the homie moved away. That sounds interesting, man. Okay. Let's go ahead and jump into some of these articles. What do you guys think? I think I hit all the peeps. I gotta take a break though. Holy smokes. Got me want to sing past the Dochi, you know what I'm saying? Let's see. Sorry, man. I gotta get you out the screen. Okay, Cointelegraph. I did my due diligence before, so I'm not gonna be stumbling around. Posted 1 hour ago. That new. Litecoin transactions near all-time highs after gaining ground in consumer finance. Is that the Mr. Strange? I used to think that was the lamest name. But he's bending space-time with Litecoin. It's become easier to use Litecoin for everyday payments thanks to several recent partnerships. Thank God, man. I bought this shit in the 2018 bear market. Just kidding. The number of Litecoin transactions have rebounded to over 140,000 in recent days after falling close to the 100,000 mark in early October. 3 days prior, the Litecoin Foundation tweeted about the launch of its LTC Visa debit card powered by fintech firm Unbanked. Oh, they have another one. Oh, yeah, and a Walmart shit. When is that coming out? I heard that wasn't fake. It was just early. But I can't verify, to be honest. According to the card's homepage, potential customers would first register for a Litecoin card account, deposit Litecoin in a specific wallet address, pass Know Your Customer whatevers, and receive a virtual Litecoin card. Okay, that's just a card. CoinMarketCap. I don't give a shit about that. Get out of my face. Be gone. Okay, 2 hours ago, Voyager Digital will be crypto brokerage partner for the Dallas Mavericks. Mark Cuban, you smart bitch. 18 people, what's up? Under owner Mark Cuban, the basketball franchise was one of the first in the NBA to accept crypto payments for tickets and merchandise. And Mark Cuban is actually being listed as a partner in various crypto projects under their partners tab now. Mark Cuban's getting all up in the mix. Also, Kevin O'Leary. We got the freaking Shark Tank getting all up into crypto. I like it. Oh, shit. Is he going to do that nasty behind the back 360 slamma jamma posterize on that coin? Crypto trading platform Voyager Digital has inked a deal with the Dallas Mavericks basketball team aiming to make crypto more accessible through fan engagement and other educational programs. In October 27th announcement, Voyager Digital said it would become the Mavs' first cryptocurrency brokerage and international partner in a 5-year deal. The trading platform will also have naming rights over the franchise's Mavs Gaming Hub in Dallas, a venue for the Mavs NBA 2K League team. Games, crypto, you guys, they might do a transition into play to earn or NFTs. If NFTs get up into NBA 2K, holy shit. NBA 2K is still hot. At least in the basketball world, it's really like uncontested. NBA Live fell the frick off. There's no college games, so that's it. That's awesome. This partnership gives us the opportunity to educate people all over the world on ways to use crypto in their everyday lives, said Voyager Digital co-founder and CEO Steve Ehrlich. We want to help people learn alternative ways to grow their wealth, to achieve true financial freedom, and build intergenerational wealth through crypto. We have found a great partner to do this within the Mavs and their owner, Mark Cuban, who is already deeply involved in the space. Marky. You smart. He's smart. So smart. South Korean pension fund to invest in Bitcoin ETF, October 26th. That was yesterday. South Korean pension fund. We're going to get that retirement money. Yeah. Bring it over. Bring it all over. I like that. KTCU plans to invest in Bitcoin ETF products after consultation with domestic asset managers, an executive reportedly said. Damn, he's holding the world on his shoulders, putting the team on the back. South Korea's public pension fund, the Korean Teacher Credit Union, is reportedly looking to gain exposure to Bitcoin via cryptocurrency exchange traded fund. Damn, they're going to put all the teachers, they're going to make their teacher rich as shit. One of the largest institutional investors in South Korea is considering investing in a pure Bitcoin ETF or Bitcoin-linked ETFs in the first half of 2022. 2022? What? Well, I mean, I guess that'd be, if the 4-year cycle held true, that'd be a good time to invest, right? Interesting. Considering several Bitcoin ETF products, including those by South Korean asset management firm Mirai Asset Global Management Investments, and the company launched 2 ETFs. Okay, whatever. As there are some well-made cryptocurrencies linked ETF products by asset managers such as Korea's Mirai Asset Global Investments, we plan to invest in the ETF products after consultation with domestic asset managers. Okay. They keep saying the same shit. Okay, cool. Hey, where's my Hedera crew at? Anyone from the Hedera crew here? 10 hours ago, you heard it here first. Probably not, but it's all good. DBS Bank joins Hedera Blockchain's governing council. The bank wants to use its membership to further explore their emerging possibilities opened up by the blockchain technology. Well, Hedera is not blockchain, you freaking noobs. The Hedera Governing Council has welcomed Singapore's oldest bank, DBS, as its newest member, making it the first Southeast Asian leader to join the worldwide Hyperledger organization. DBS Bank, a member of the Advisory Council on FinTech, has joined the Blockchain Council alongside 39 other major technology. Blockchain Council? This is Hedera's council. No. Freaking, it's Hashgraph. God damn it. Corporate nonprofit leaders, including Google, IBM, Boeing, Deutsche Telekom. They spelled it wrong. the University of London, Dentons, LG Electronics, among others. The Asian lender may acquire value from Hedera's innovative enterprise blockchain platform. It's not blockchain, while also influencing it by providing input on real-world business needs. Okay. DBS Bank is Singapore's largest bank by assets and deposits, as well as South Asia's biggest bank in terms of market cap. Whatever. I can't speak today. With over 9 million customers across 18 markets, DBS has significant presence in Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and China. The bank wants to use its membership to further explore the emerging possibilities opened up by the hashgraph technology. Whoever wrote this should get slapped. But with that said, largest bank by assets in Singapore. They also have Standard Bank, which is largest bank by assets in Africa. Then they also got Shinhan Bank, largest bank by assets in Korea. Whoa. Boeing? Google, IBM? Oh, okay. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm halfway through. I'm going to catch up with the peeps. You know, I like talking to the peeps. H-Bar? Eric, what's up? H-Bar? H-Bar could take over Ethereum. Yeah, you know, but like, it's not even blockchain. It's not blockchain. See, that's the thing. Like the person who wrote that article don't even know. It's not blockchain. Totally different technology. Just like the Tangle, which is IOTA. Totally different technology from Hashgraph and blockchain. These are distributed ledger technologies, not blockchain technologies. Therefore, like, you know, you're investing in different technologies completely. While you have these different blockchains that are all blockchain technology, I don't even know if Hedera really has to be a competitor to Ethereum. Will it just have a totally different use case? Completely. Could be. Just like the Tangle, really slotted for IoT. Could it just do that? Could be. You know, like there are big use cases for Hashgraph in terms of military application. I've talked about that. That was my first use case. That's what really drew me to Hedera, right? And I think that's why Boeing's picking them up. You know, like, you guys know I'm interoperable. You know, I am very eclectic and tolerant of different chains, different solutions. So I'm looking at it like, okay, well, they're growing together. Hashgraph was superior to blockchain then. You know, like, how come it hasn't killed blockchain and vice versa? Blockchain was superior to Hashgraph. How come it hasn't killed Hashgraph? Vice versa. You know, so I'm looking at them like, okay, I'll see how it plays out a little more. But I like them both. I think BCH will outperform Bitcoin in about 2 years. Really? I mean, it's usable. Layer 1. Now, there's a whole lot of people who hate Bitcoin Cash. You know, but there's people who like it. I mean, they're mostly in Asia. It's just kind of like where you're at, who you ask. Yo, what up, New Zealand in the house again? Hey, what's up, man? What time is it over there? It's like probably like 5 o'clock or some shit, right? What's up? 15 people, hour and 3 in. Milo's quiet. Hopefully Milo's okay. Milo, you cool? Shit. I have to take him to the vet later, man. Redditors cheer as GameStop assembles a team for NFT experts. 17 hours ago. You got it here first. The future creators won't just build games, but also the components, characters, and equipment. Blockchains will power the commerce underneath. GameStop, head of Web 3.0, gaming jobs listed reads. Shit. Look what they're making. They're making NFT Star. I like it. GameStop is assembling a team of blockchain and non-fungible token NFT experts to work on the firm's upcoming NFT platform. Yes. NFTs go up. Coinbase making one. Rari. A whole bunch of other ones. GameStop. Who else? Who else wants a piece of the Bitcoin pie? Come on over. I got apes I could sell you. The firm's GME stock is a cult favorite among retail traders. as a result of the R Wall Street bets and Robinhood saga earlier this year. The on Reddit and R Superstonk community boasts 659,000 members and is dedicated to hosting business and stock discussions related to GME. Hey, I never would have thought GameStop would be ruining the world right now. Who would have freaking thought that shit, man? I just used to go in there because GameStop was in the mall and my mom would be shopping. I'd be bored as shit and I'd play the demos, you know? A post about GameStop's job listing on Tuesday has received more than 10,000 upvotes at the time of writing this, with many members posting bullish sentiment over GameStop's latest move. GameStop quietly unveiled a bare bones website for its NFT marketplace in May. The site currently features a Nintendo Game Boy style gaming console with an Ethereum logo. That's badass. Nintendo Game Boy. That's badass too. That's retro and new. Along with a message calling out for recruits to work on the platform. Since then, the firm has held its cards close to its chest. However, on Monday, it lists a total of 8 jobs for crypto-friendly candidates, including 3 roles for NFT experienced software engineers, 3 jobs for product marketers, and 2 roles focused on Web3-based gaming. One of the listings for the head of the Web 3.0 gaming jobs says that GameStop is looking for someone with experience with Ethereum NFTs and blockchain-based gaming platforms. Wow, they're specific with Ethereum. The firm has also hinted that there are some plans related to a metaverse in the works. Metaverse. One day they're going to just link up all those metaverses and we're going to have a big old meta universe. I guess that's what metaverse stands for. Okay. GameStop is looking for a unique individual who can help accelerate the future of gaming and commerce. In this future, games are the place to go, and play is driven by the things you bring. Wow, this means you got to have something to get something. Future creators won't just build games, but also the components, characters, and equipment. Blockchains will power the commerce underneath, the job listing reads. Jesus. All right. I like it. When crypto gets all this press. NFTs. Jesus. Who would have thought, man? Who would have thought? What else I got? Hour 7 in. What do you guys think? It's 2 p.m.? Damn, man. It's okay. It's not that late. HBAR gonna be good for companies with models and technology that need millions of transactions like drone communications, etc. Yeah, I mean, guys, their whole governing council is made up by private companies. It's a blockchain built by private companies for private companies. It's patented. It's not a patented. You know what I'm saying? It's got patents for its technology. It's private, built for private. They're probably gonna keep it private, you know? That's why I said interoperability, right? Like, think about it. Like, there's going to be public utilities, like public decentralized blockchains that aren't controlled by anything, because you can't have a public utility controlled by one thing. It kind of destroys the point, right? Then you have these private blockchains or private distributed ledgers like Hedera, like XRP or whatever. Okay, don't kill me if you like XRP, but whatever. You know what I mean? And they link up. The reason they provide value to private companies is private companies don't want you seeing all up in their shit. Like, oh, immutable. Like, oh, we've got to see everything. We got to be transparent. And then Boeing's like, no, get this out of here. I don't want you to see up in here. You know? So, like, we already know companies hold stuff close to the chest. How do I know? I was in an industry full of like hush hush, right? Boeing, Northrop Grumman, Raytheon, Aerojet Rocketdyne, Siemens, yeah. There's a whole bunch of them. They're not giving their shit away for free. Nuh-uh. A lot of those companies make all their money off IP. You can't be giving away IP. Just cashed out 50% of my shit. Crypto junkie, you legend. Apply for that, Dub. Crypto consultant at GameStop. I'm already doing some consulting stuff, man. But I can always do some more, you know. Cashed out all my shit. Bought the OS. Yee. My 1,000 investment in SHIB went to 10K. Awesome. I'm so happy for you. Good job. Okay. 10 people. I'm losing them. 12 people now. Helium partners with Dish Network to expand its crypto-based distributed 5G platform. Check some real quick. I'm going to get into it real quick. Okay. Helium announces new partnership with Dish Network, which will further extend its 5G network in exchange for HNT rewards. Huh? Whoa, Helium miners. Damn. That's kind of crazy. That's why I pulled this. The ultimate goal of the cryptocurrency project is to achieve widespread adoption by offering a use case that offers real-world value that can be applied in every home across the globe. Thanks to its user-run wireless network, Helium, a 5G Internet of Things-focused project, made a significant stride towards greater adoption as it revealed a new partnership with Dish Network on October 26th, yesterday. Today, we take another huge step for Helium 5G with the announcement of a new partnership between Dish and Helium Inc. Whoa. Dish is the first major carrier to join the People's Network, expanding coverage of customers deploying 5G hotspots. Read the blog. Oh, I gotta get one of these during the bear market, man. What the shit? We're gonna see like private companies using these to prop up and boost their infrastructure. I mean, why wouldn't they? Why wouldn't they? It's already built. All they gotta do is tap in. Tap in. You know? I mean, it's either that or they gotta build it themselves. It's cheaper to do it. According to the announcement, the partnership will offer Dish Network subscribers the opportunity to run Helium nodes and earn HNT rewards for sharing their 5G wireless service with those in the area. What? Dish Network people are going to get HNT? This makes the first major carrier to integrate the Helium 5G network into its ecosystem and is a significant sign of validation for the project and its technology. Wow. Dish understands the potential blockchain can have on the wireless industry. And as the first major carrier to join the People's Network, the partnership is real validation that the HNT incentive model is a powerful tool for deploying infrastructure at scale. Together with Dish and Freedom 5, Helium 5G will have a much broader reach where the customer benefits from the flywheel of network incentives and application it enables. And look at that growth in Helium Network. Wow. That's kind of crazy. Touch bases on CHZ. Man, hey, no lie, man. You bringing up all the projects I haven't looked into. My bad. I see NFTs moving into design patent space in 3 to 5 years. I found real estate company using blockchain to replace standard paperwork and contracts involved. Yeah. Just look for the things that do it better or do it cheaper or help the people who are doing it better and cheaper to get more efficient. I like that. You think there's going to be crypto teachers in education system? Yeah, there's got to be. That's what you guys are. What do you think you guys are? Someone's got to teach people. That's why I'm out here teaching you. You just aggregate the knowledge when the knowledge is free. One day it won't be. Come get it while it's free. You know what I'm saying? It's just like this shit with colleges and trade schools. There's going to be learn about crypto, enroll in the crypto academy, whatever. It's like, no, right now, all the future teachers up out here on the internet telling you pretty much for free. But knowledge is power. I don't think it'll be free forever, you know? So you aggregate it while you can. Is it Proppy? Proppy was like the first. Dish is living in 2030 with that one. Hey, they're way out. They're thinking ahead. Nice analogy. Turns every Dish customer into a signal broadcaster. That's smart AF. It's super smart. I was surprised to see that shit. I was like, whoa. We got GameStop doing a metaverse. We got GameStop trying to make their own NFT store. I mean, GameStop's big enough where they can get like Nintendo, like bona fide Nintendo NFTs. It's not like oh, made by a dev who says it's a Nintendo NFT or Mario's hat. It's like Nintendo issuing NFTs saying that's the legit bona fide limited edition hat. Like, that's crazy. Gets all like, see, and places like that with NFTs marketplaces for by big chains like that, they have the ability and the sway to get these big brands to like get around this IP problem. It's all an IP problem. You know, like if you make a Mario's hat, I'm just saying that for an example, and Nintendo hasn't okayed it, they're gonna be like, that's not real. And then there goes your value. Imagine where they're like, hey, there's only three Mario hats, and that's real. That's where the value instantly comes to fruition. It's going to be interesting to see. We're starting to see some bona fide companies come through and partner up with these things. I don't know what's going to happen. It's never happened before. Yero. What's up? Hour 15 in. U.S. regulators are exploring policies for banks to handle crypto, says FDIC chair. Establishing clear regulatory expectations will be paramount to give this market an opportunity to grow and mature in a responsible manner. I'm not gonna say her name. Jelena? Dang. McWilliams. Jelena. Wow. The chairperson of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC, has said the agency is working with other regulators in the United States to explore under what circumstances banks can engage in activities involving crypto assets. In a speech in the Money 2020 FinTech Conference on Monday, McWilliams said the FDIC, in coordination with the Federal Reserve and Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, is looking to provide regulatory clarity for banks handling crypto assets, including stablecoins. Bingo, stablecoins. They hate stablecoins. The chairperson said the FDIC planned to issue a series of policy statements in the coming months on guidance for banks. In the coming months, what happens per the 4-year cycle in a couple months? Bear market. See how this shit lines up? They line this shit up. According to McWilliams, stablecoins have many potential benefits to consumers, such as faster, cheaper, and more efficient payments. However, she claimed that if one or more were to become a dominant form of payment in the United States or globally, there could be significant effects on the country's financial stability, with funds no longer being held in insured banks. Bingo! I love it when I'm right. You see this, man? Stablecoins are a dollar alternative. Stablecoins are getting real usage. Stablecoins can essentially destabilize the United States. Why? It's called capital flight. I mean, you know, that's what China freaking kills itself to stop. That's why it's like, you know, like if you're able to move your money instantly offshore to any country in any protocol, anywhere, instantly, distance not a factor, that money is no longer United States. Where is it? Well, it depends where you spent it. Is it now in Afghanistan? Is it now in Dubai? Is it now in China? Is it now in Australia? Where is it at? The thing is, it could be anywhere. That means the money flow, rich countries could then in an instant become poor countries. They don't like that. They don't want that. They're going to do everything they can to keep that money right here at home. If that means they got to burn stablecoins, if that means they got to outlaw private wallets and say you can only use your JP Morgan wallet, they're going to do whatever it takes. And they're saying in a couple months. A couple technically means 2. We only have what? November, December per the 4-year cycle, maybe into January. Do you see how it lines up? I do. In order to realize the potential benefits stablecoins have to offer, while accounting for potential risks, stablecoins should be subject to well-tailored government oversight. Well-tailored government oversight. Stablecoins, not Bitcoin, not Ethereum, not XRP, stablecoins, said the FDIC chairperson. That oversight should rest on the foundation that stablecoins issued from outside the banking sector are fully backed one-to-one by safe, highly liquid assets. What is more reputable per the old system than a CBDC or central bank digital currency? Damn, 14 people, man. You guys are getting the freaking sauce. I don't know where everyone's at. We were almost at 100 people in May. Got 14 people now. I got less than 20% of the people here, and I'm giving you fire. You were spot on 100%. They kill what's not in their control, but gonna push people away. They don't care about the store of value. The dollar's never been a store of value, going down like 97%. They want that everyday transaction so they can tax you and track you and control you. That's all they care about. They don't want to store your shit. 13 people. What's up? Told you I had some good articles today. This is another one. Secret, Curve, and Shiba Inu gains suggest that altcoin season is coming. But Dubdigital, I thought we was in altcoin season. I told you we haven't seen the altcoin season. Search new highs while CRV rally breaks a nearly year-long sideways trend. Yeah. I was happy about Curve. I was sitting on Curve for a long time. Calls for an altcoin season continue to grow louder as the price action in altcoin market has been on the rise for a few days. Meanwhile, Bitcoin continues to consolidate below its all-time high, near 62,000 support level. Oftentimes, moves in altcoins center around one specific sector of tokens, such as meme coins or decentralized finance protocols, but the current market is seeing rises across all sectors, which is possibly a sign that altcoin season is in fact heating up. Oh yeah. And by the way, as altcoin season goes, it gets more ridiculous. Data from Cointelegraph Market Pro and TradingView shows that the biggest gainers over the 24 hours was Secret, Curve, and Shiba. And they talk about the two. We don't need to go into all of them. Guys, shitcoins don't pump when it's not altcoin season, or at least approaching. Is this a bear market? No, it's not. Because in a bear market, everything goes down and things are going up. But Bitcoin's not going above 67,000. Okay, so fuck what, man? We're going to get there. Give it some time. You got 2 more months. I told you most of the moves and most altcoins happen within 2% of the time, meaning over the course of 48 months, 4 years, 4-year cycle. It happens within a month or two in some coins, even less for some. But if you're not in that 2% of the time where the move occurs, you're basically losing all the gains. So, yes, it's been a while. But the time, it's ticking. I think the time is soon approaching. Don't lose hope. 14 people, what's good? Tom, the man. NFL quarterback Tom Brady gives a fan 1 Bitcoin for his historic 600th touchdown pass ball. Wow. The GOAT rewarded a Tampa Bay Buccaneer fan after wide receiver Mike Evans mistakenly handed him the ball following a historic touchdown. Tampa Bay Buccaneer quarterback Tom Brady nearly lost ownership of the ball behind the 600th touchdown pass, but now he's paying for it in Bitcoin. In Sunday's game between the Buccaneers and Chicago Bears, Brady threw his 600th career touchdown pass to his fellow teammate Mike Evans. He is the only player in NFL history to have ever achieved so many touchdown passes in his career. The wide receiver, apparently not realizing the significance of the ball, handed it off to Byron Kennedy, a fan wearing a jersey with Evans' namesake. According to Ken Golden, the founder of sports memorabilia auction company Golden's Auctions, the ball could be worth anywhere from $500,000 to $900,000. Kennedy at first seemed to give up the ball in exchange for a vague promise of a meet and greet with the quarterback. However, Brady later revealed on Monday Night Football that he had offered a fan 1 Bitcoin, roughly $62,000 at the time of publication, as thanks for handing it over quickly. There was a lot of negotiations in order to get the ball back, said Brady. Byron realized he lost all his leverage once he gave the ball away. I'm also giving him a Bitcoin. That's pretty cool too. At the end of the day, I think he's still making out. I think he's still making out pretty. Is this? This is not. Oh shit! I didn't play it. My bad. I didn't do audio. My bad. 11 people. What's up? I got a lot. I got a lot of articles. I read a lot today. I'm just going to show you this. I got to read it. Okay, I got to read it. Rarible and Adobe form partnership aimed at protecting NFT creators. Adobe? Wow. Which GameStop, Adobe. There was more. Dish. Yeah, that's crazy. That's kind of a lot already. The Adobe feature can add NFT creator wallet addresses and social media information to the metadata of token listed on Rarible. Wallet addresses, social media information. Wow. Helping to fight misinformation with attribution and verifiable truth of content. Software agent Adobe is trying to make it easier for non-fungible tokens or NFT creators to prove that they are the artists behind their work by linking social media profiles and crypto wallet addresses. In Tuesday's announcement, NFT marketplace Rarible said it would be partnering with Adobe, allowing token creators to display the software company content credentials to verify the authenticity and digital content. According to Adobe, this feature can add an NFT creator's wallet address and social media information to the content credential media to help find. Okay, we know. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I like it. And Elon Musk warns of strong inflationary pressures as Tesla mulls Bitcoin payments again. Hey. Bitcoin's Elon's a shill. Freaking shill. He brought it down. He brings it up. He's freaking manipulating the market because it's not illegal to do so far in crypto. Proof. It's proof. Okay, I'm over it. The world's richest man whose net worth is, he's not the richest man. The richest man's net worth is not listed or publicized. He makes sure of that. He's the richest man. The world's richest man, whose net worth hit $250 billion this week, is also unsure whether inflation will ever calm down. Well, it will. He's saying that shit because he's trying to get all these people to run everything. It's never going to go down. It's FYI. The world faces strong inflationary pressure in the short term. In the short? What? I thought he meant never. And it may persist, warns the world's richest man. Oh, wait. In the short term, but it may persist? So just, you don't know. Okay. And in a debate about inflation, some of the best-known names in Bitcoin voiced unanimous doubts about the state of global monetary policy. Future inflation, great unknown, says Musk. As even the United States Federal Reserve admits that inflation may be here to stay, the topic has become especially pertinent for Bitcoiners, given the cryptocurrency's intrinsically deflationary characteristics. For Elon Musk, who remains cool when it comes to Bitcoin as a magic pill for fiat currency's ills, inflation is no less of an issue. With over $250 billion in net assets as of this week, potential exposure to devaluing currencies is more of a potential problem than ever. I don't know about long term, but short term, we are seeing strong inflationary pressure. He said in a Twitter debate with ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood. Yes, inflation is a vector and is clearly evident in an array of products, services, and assets not currently measured in CPI. Yep, it's not measured in CPI. Why? Whenever the inflation number goes too high, they just take shit out of the calculation of the CPI. They just take it out. Oh, inflation's too high, we'll just take this out. Like, what? You can't just take shit out? That's what they do, man. So, like, people are telling me, oh, CPI says we're not over 2% inflation. It's like, yeah, but if they calculated the way it did in the 1970s, it would be double digits. There is a dude over there, Shadow Stats. What's his name? I forgot his name. He used to calculate the government's inflation numbers in the 1970s. He says we're like double digits year on year. Double digits year on year. And now they're telling you, oh, it's 5%. Higher. Come on, what is it really? I don't know. Okay, I'm over it. What do you guys think? Hold on. Damn. Yeah, I'll go wherever crypto's tolerated. If it ain't the US, it's a big world. Traveling recent, and there's a lot of nice places out there. There are a lot of nice places, especially if you got monies. Good luck controlling Luna, UST. Thank you. I'm controlling it? I am? Doc Wan is suing the SEC back. Doc Wan? Doc Wan? Exactly. There's a lot of better views outside the United States with better real estate. Yeah, man. I mean, some countries, they're beautiful, man. I thought it was supposed to go up every day. What the F? Ain't no patience, huh? Flat smack. They ain't got no patience. It's okay. They can't have the gains. Was in Medellin 4 months and didn't see a frown. No joke. Good people. Yeah. Sometimes depends what city you're in, but America could be kind of angry, man. Especially in LA. Economy, Matic, Render, and 1inch all green on a very red day. I'm liking some of those picks. My only problem is I didn't buy more. LOL, respect, Dub. Ain't that a bitch, man? Ain't that everyone's problem, though? Like, I could have bought some more stuff, but don't kick yourself. You bought stuff. Majority of people didn't buy stuff. Majority of people don't even know that stuff exists. So it's like, we all coulda, woulda, shoulda. The fan kind of screwed that up. Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, like, whatever. He went from having no extra money to having like $62,000. I mean, I wouldn't complain. But yeah, the ball probably wasn't worth a lot. It's okay. My portfolio was in price discovery yesterday. I'm rich. Hey, Flatsmack, how's that Soul treating you? You bought Soul at $20, like a real one. What's up, brother? Question: have you heard of TrueBit? Is it legit or scam? TrueBit, the exchange? I don't know. I've never used it. I can't really speak on it, but I've never used it. But I've heard of them. Shillian Musk strikes again. He always does. Freaking Bitcoin noob. When it says moles, they're talking about smoking weed. I like that. Woo! Gold chart is looking bullish. Yeah, Flatsmack, but it's my thought that crypto's going to take off, top out. Then gold and silver will do its thing. Gold and silver typically take longer to play out. You know that. What crypto does in like a cycle, gold and silver takes 10 years to do. So, I mean, I'm a fan of diversifying. I bought shit before the 10x. I also sold before too. Hey, me too, man. Not me too. I bought Doge way before all this shit. Jesus. Dad Master, thanks, man, for the super chat. $5. Appreciate you. Yo, I'm here, fam. Hey, that Foxy. Looking sexy. What happened to your gold one, though? You sell it? Yo, short ADA. That dog shit about to dump. I don't know. I wouldn't short shit right now, man. That's how you get freaking wrecked. In a bull run. It's a bull run, man. It's a bull run. Maybe in a bear trend. We haven't seen that yet. Gold has been around the longest. Nothing has beat it in 10,000 years. Nothing. I like gold. I like silver. I like platinum. I like things. I like valuable things. The OG macro guys say it's more like 14% inflation. Yeah, dude. Anyone who's saying single digits just believes whatever the CPI says, but they don't think about it. Like, the CPI is a number given to you by the people who have been manipulating the currency. They're not really honest. Now, are they? Not really. But people just get a number. They say, oh, that's gospel. They never think that people would lie to them like that. Nah, bro, I'm saying look at the news. He's countersuing their ass. Duck Wan is founder of Luna. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Cool. He should. You're going to create Wolfpack NFTs? That'd be cool. I kind of want to make a fight club in the metaverse. What metaverse can I do that in a fight club? I want it. Called the Wolf Den. I have a fight club and a stage for I could do my live streams in there. You guys could do VR shit, fight. We could bet on it. You could bet on it. Yeah. Let's do that. I buy Wolfpack NFT for sure. Really? I got Wolfpack merch, man. Here you go. Limited edition. Sure, whatever. Buy that shit. Just kidding. Hey guys, it's been hour 35. I gotta check on my dog, but it's been fun. This is Crypto Kickback. I do this every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I also do a second stream on Sunday on 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's been fun, guys. But I'll catch you later. Peace.